Hello everyone. Today I will explain the difference between investigation and criminal investigation. An investigation is a way of finding of the truth. It is done when we want to solve a problem or answer the question. We collect information, look for clues, and ask a question. For example, if money goes missing at home, the family may investigate by checking who handled it and where it was last seen. So, an investigation can be about many things in daily life, not only the crimes. A criminal investigation is more specific. It is the process of finding out the truth about the crimes. This is usually done by the police or investigators. They look for evidence, talk to witness, and study the crime scene. The goal is to know who did the crime, how it happened, and make sure the criminal is punished according to the law. In short, investigation is a general can be used in many situations, while criminal investigation is only about the crimes. Thank you so much.